here for high attention TV. Attention Tvgh. Attention the audience and what they accept. Aye, what they accept. Eye be busumi ni, se be du busumi pa. Eye so de ni abrantie fe mojamono. Akronfo am Roberts kunu ewo Ablekuma Farm Junction filling station bi na ewo ho no. Omuku na wiakete no miensa agba pa ho ekobo no nan. No muku no na yi ase enna. Abrantie ya police ni so no kama yi. Owuye ne jere manukunu ni tribute na nyame nko anko no so oya to ni kunu ewo asamado o collapsɛ ewo ya nkase ya GP Dampare anim yanko ni hwe video no ne embra
na akoye se ahun se bible kura kan se wo ne aban ni panya asɛm anka be ya munni no hɔ a nka ne hɔ a enti eba ne sa na wo ye se wo mo ka ne hɔ a na minim se 200 na office se esobro so se senyo. Oh, what the agino? Now, what they J papa ya what direct traffic? What they G ni we ya no? Na papa ni hu se sika because said sika no se so nim na sika no wodi mu kwen ba ko pese yi. Na nanom ni watua sika na ma ho.
What man na wi.
Na
me do sika ma ma e bone.
And the only ogina ho.
Ogina ne nchen ho pe nso no wo bodua no.
Yes. Enti ayi MTT din no won hu so won ko. So when you see cano manual, so on fana dear manual, says saying on Regina Hona, or two nana back when you never come back, back when you move back, sir. And to Nipa honey been or mocha pan, the choice, yes, sir. Dear, I'll be dear Nefe. I buy Nipa de in a yenim, or call Elmina crowd, hen or honor, or say so share police in here. Oceano in a coin so many sika. No so much black or we him and son or and since somebody and you shall now man kakra. Was it Debbie 200 Ghana and old Budiano. What the agino? I'm empty dinner. One don't mean carry a crow. And one more panic, chawa, because friends use audio and some no cannon 19. Still was a 19. To more panic, chawa, and Nipa honey bitch, I say, actually, and one more test, I say, wako fansa, or when I was dying about the NTA. Said they na. Exchanges no aircon. You wait me at until one so until they say no 200 net the amano. And all one trouser, no nobody about trouser, not to say meaning.
So there you are the respect a man abos. But all running pabwa, we call running pabwa.
Next on your mamre pa.
On your mamre. But that could be the business son of a what nothing let that the cane. That means not upon why I just say, or nominee diabon or boko. Hey. Or nominee diano or boko.
Well, sir, a boboya and a dear friend a tricycle. And he been work you no register and no say now we register as him from Kurumu no one on near there.
A boboya who do about
so called register. Monsieur de beat Tiapra no like as I say, Umudia no cacra. 200.
How could you?
And a boboya 200.
I think how many say? So say you almost say
50,
maybe
70.
We are not so officer about Quandia. No, I am not a can yet. Then
we team. And only to me catch us. Papa not a kind. But we him. Only a team. Near catch us a papa not a kind. This is a boss were chilly.
Musha, I say, or your confront here. And send your confront now, you know, and also,
it's in a snap good Debbie Ashnap. No Ekasa, or communicated Debbie.
I was informed me uncle Sonia Posty for some more a year Ablekuma Bullion Van robbery, I course in Anuya family filling station here. I nam suma pussy young police officer. I feel washer brassy, Nani Ajin ho, na or ye near my backwanam, you know, you're born to come near Yano. And now posted for a for some the egg Jana Quine. Na enumuna ama report or the bray and after the area Dampare. I can't share with Yana say, or much in Nipamino. Na police for bed, you to me be a sebaya. Callistus Amwa, Anya she crano. Never between me a ye, ama when ya say, ya the essay be a so be as when ye be no. Nipana with this abon and as when ye be then said to me, I can't see way a summer course. I will be a police for ya woman here. Ye heya, Tessano heya, na wɔmɔkɔyɛ saa sumi ɛma yɛnua Callistus Amwa na yɛntie nti na mu no ɛna hunu sɛ polisifoɔ ɔmo bɔ abɛn wɔ akyire pepepepepe a sɔfo nso ɛyɛ mass ɛde ama no no nti na awerɛho paa yɛntie IGP nsɛm a wɔde ɛto dwa no.
On behalf of my colleagues at the leadership of the police and on behalf of the entire police service, I extend my condolences to my sister Amanda, the parents of my brother, the entire family, and also to the loved ones and the institutions that my brother, while he was alive, was associated with one or the other. Since the incident happened, I have been in an unmeasurable pain, which I have not been able to quantify and define until I came here today to pay tribute to him. Callis is a colleague to all of us at the top, and to some extent a friend. But to me, he's a brother, because the village he comes from, Kogo Dijango, is close to a village I have adopted as home, Kolgoto, because of the benevolence of an old lady in that town towards me, which kept me going to the place constantly until the old lady passed. So I'm here, beyond him being a colleague, I'm mourning a brother and a nephew. And the measure of the pain, I felt it when I went close to my brother and looked into his face. And it was then that I asked God, now I know how much the pain would diminish. And that pain, I can explain it in this form.
Enti yewura Dampare and what is watch said ye asem no asi ahye no afa. Na yentie Callistus ne ho abakosem kakra abra na abusua kan bi e waso dem ho.
No one seems to understand that God is protecting them from the evil to come. This is from Isaiah 57, verse 1. Available records held at the Ghana Police Headquarters indicate that the late General Lance Corporal Callistus Amwa, whose solemn funeral ceremony we are witnessing today, was enlisted into the Ghana Police Service as a general recruit on 3rd January 2017. After some months of rigorous training at the Police Training School, Palugu, in the Upper East region, he passed out on 6 September 2017 as a general constable. Later, he was posted to the National Protection Unit in the Greater Accra region, the only station he served in his entire police service career. He gained further promotion to the rank of Lance Corporal on 1st January 2022, the rank he held until his untimely death on 22nd June 2023.
Yenua bema Callistus arehosem a eto ni yebema busua hyede na ne yire ene na ontumi kra Amanda Amwa nisuo sa yentie no.
And if we die to the Lord. So then, whether we live or whether we die, we are the Lord's. Romans chapter 14, verse 8. Callis, how I affectionately call you. Why are you silent? Why have you not responded to my calls? Callis, my beloved husband, it is still hard for me to accept that you are no longer here. Every day I wake up to a cold, empty space where you used to lie, and the pain comes down on me again and again. They say time heals all wounds, but with your passing, I have realized that this is not entirely true. Some wounds will not heal with time. Instead, time will teach us how to live with the pains. I am shocked because this your death just occurred sudden and unexpected. Khalis adored God and never made light of his daily devotions and prayers. He never goes a day without reading and meditating on God's word. I recall the last Sunday before your death. We were late for church and decided to go to a nearby church for Mass. When we arrived, Mass has ended, but you made us to still sit and read the Sunday Bible readings before leaving the church grounds. And when we got home, we talked about the Bible and prayed. You instilled in me the value of prayer and always gave me scriptures to read when you were away. You always tell me that I should take God seriously and that everyone is striving for salvation. You tell me that when somebody dies, it is not about the person, but where is the soul going? So I should always take God seriously.
Hausiafo na afedie kunafo Amanda na ontimi ebio kra
ai mahu video no mahu de siye mahu ni so amame ne eteye ai yie na so be ye ne de be pa cho comment section hono na comment na me yi wo comment na no kama na me de ama so ati me you comment kama na me de ama on wa adom akoko na wa ase no fa nsa boso na subscribe se na me video bi aba oni nipa obedi kan a o sabeka